Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, without wasting much of your time, I want to show you how you can make $300 per day by watching YouTube videos. This technique is free and anybody in the world can do it. The requirements that you need to start this work is a computer and internet access. Thank you and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so now to get latest updates on how to make money in 2022. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you how you can make $300 per day by watching YouTube videos. First of all, you go to open your Google Chrome, type on search for Google Trends. Hope you're watching from what I'm typing so that you can do it and learn it. This is Google Trends. What this Google Trends does is that it lets you know what is trending in a particular moment. That is the reason why we are going to Google Trends. I click on Google Trends. Google Trends will show you things that are trending all over the world. Like if you go to America, there are things that people are searching for on the internet. If you come to Nigeria, there are also things that people are searching for. Wherever you are in the world, there are things that people are searching for at a particular moment in time. Now go to Google Trends, set your location. That is the country you want to know where what is trending in. Let's say for Nigeria, this is Nigeria. If you want to use what is trending in US and other parts of the world, this is United States. You choose it. Now this is what people are searching for in United States. Okay, you open it. Yes, this is Nigeria searches for today. Look at the date there. This day is Sunday, April 24, 2022. You can see the searches. This is Napoli. It's football. Mother's Day 5K searches. Now, the highest search in this particular Google trend for today, being April 24th, is Napoli. That is for Nigeria. Now let's say that we want to search for what is happening in US. These are the searches. It shows you yesterday being Sunday. Look at what trended yesterday. Almost 1 million searches, 500k searches. Arsenal versus Man United. That means if you posted something that was related to Arsenal Man U yesterday, being Saturday, you have earned more than $1,000. Chelsea versus West Ham. These are the things that trended yesterday. Today is Napoli. This is Nigerian trends. Go to US. You can choose from any country. These are list of countries. United States. Daily. Orthodox Easter is trending in US right now. Tottenham. Chuka. And the other things. This trended yesterday. Celtics trended 1 million plus searches yesterday. Wow. Unbelievable. Now you go to, let's use Nigeria for a case study. You go to Nigeria. You can choose any country of your choice, depending on where you are from and where your audience will be, where your audience are from. If you're going to share your links or you want to share your content to people of Nigeria, probably you should use Nigerian searches. Let's say Napoli is trending today. Now, all you have to do is go to YouTube. You have found out what is trending today. All you have to do is go to YouTube, click search Napoli. This is an hour ago. Find this, trending things. The one with the highest view and that is latest. You can copy this link You have copied the link. Now go back home, open your search. Now all you have to do is look for link shorteners, companies. There are companies that pay you by shortening. Remember that you have copied a trending video from YouTube. Now we want to find an affiliate market that will help us to make money by sharing that link. Let's say you go to adfly.com. You see what it writes here: get paid to share your links on the internet. Now all you have to do is the link that you copied from YouTube, you paste it here. It will ask to shrink your link. I have shrunk this link now. A unique code will be given to me, and this is instead of me sharing the directly copied YouTube video, to maybe to Facebook, Twitter, and all that. This unique link that is given to me will be used instead. And this is what I do. I copy this link. You copy it. Now go to Facebook. You know that this is actually trending right now. So all you have to do is go to Twitter. Use the accurate slash tag. Just write Napoli versus whoever they are playing with. Then you include the hashtag Napoli and all that. You don't even need to do much, because as it is trending right now, people are searching for it. So once you put the right hashtags, people will automatically find your video. And by sharing this link you have shortened it. Wherever people clicks on this link, an advert will be shown to them. Are you getting me? An advert will be shown to them, and you make money. You can make up to $300 per day and above. If you have like 10,000 views, you get approximately $220 on this alone. You can share anything, not only sports. You can share. I just use that as an example. Like those that are watching from Nigeria, you remember that time when an innocent girl was 10 years old girl saga from Christian school. Me personally, I made over $230 in an hour by doing this same trick. What did I do? I just went to YouTube, find the latest trading video, copy it. Then I went to my payment website shortener. I posted the link, shared it on Facebook, because people are searching for it. People want to know it at that part, and I make my money. I don't even need a website to do this. I don't even know anything about programming and all that. All you have to do is sharing. Most of the content that you share, nothing is free now. Most of those things you share to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, and all that. You can actually do that and make money from it. All you have to do is to do what I just told you. So instead of you maybe seeing a trending thing, you just go straight boom and share it. And you're giving them information free, whereby information is not free. So this is all you have to do, and it is free. You can promote these links if you want to promote it, and you can still share it wherever you want to share it and make your money, cool money. It is legal money, no tax in it. So another thing is that payment US shorteners. Like this example, we use AdFly. Look at from the website adf.ly. That is adfly.com. .ly. There are many payment UN shortener that you can use, but this one, it pays highest, and it's not the best, and it's not the least. There are many of them you can, check on. So if you want to learn more about, website shorteners that pays you, you can comment in the link below to get started. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get latest updates on how to make money in because this 2022 is all about making money on the internet. Thank you, and subscribe, please.